During the refresh of our home here with the major painting of the exterior of the house, it became obvious that some of the panels on the fascia around our deck were cracked and letting in water. Gerry put us onto his friend Robert and his son Breck, who came around and took on the job of replacing a number of these panels.
Got a lot of leaves up here.
As is normal with any building job, it was a little bit more complicated. So Robert had to remove all the cappings around the top of the fascias to get to them before he could start replacing them. But anyway, it's all part of the process, and they did it so well. During the process of removing the old panels, Robert was a little concerned that they were in fact asbestos sheeting, but after a few phone calls, he was confident that he was clear.
We're safe.
It's not asbestos.
Oh, don't hold me to it.
No. Thank you.
With the panels now off, it was obvious that there had been water ingress and some of the timbers had been damaged, so they had to be replaced as well as the sheeting at the front. Bearing in mind that I'm not a handyman, I wouldn't know which end of a hammer to hold. But since we moved in, I've been looking at this roll of stuff in the garage. Anyway, Robert mentioned there was no sarking behind these panels, and I thought, I wonder what that roll of stuff is. Is that sarking? Anyway, it turned out to be sarking. So, there you go. I'm glad I didn't ever throw it out. So from that point on, it was only a matter of cutting panels to size, putting sarking underneath, and nailing and gluing them in place. So easy when you know how. Thanks, guys.
Get in there.
It's all looking good.
Right, and then from the top down, come down 660. Second start is 1470.
Yeah.
Come down, say 150.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's all from the top, those measurements. Lift up. Right, hang on.
After a big day of deconstruction, measuring, cutting, folding, finessing, and putting it all back together, the repairs are done. It was a pleasure to watch skilled tradesmen at their job. Thank you very much, guys. We are extremely happy with the job.